Hi everyone, this is me Maurice. I know you clicked this video because you are interested to explore and learn more about science. Now, let's talk about the history of science. The ancient Greeks were the first scientists. Greek philosophers tried to explain what the world is and how it works. It was the Greeks who first suggested that matter is made up of atoms, fundamental particles that can't be broken down further. Empedocles said that the world is made up of four elements: earth, water, fire, and air. Aristotle accepted the theory of the four elements. However, he also believed that the sun, moon, and other planets are made up of fifth element and are unchanging. Aristotle also believed that the human body was made up of four humors or liquids corresponding to the four elements. They were phlegm, blood, yellow bile, and black bile. If a person had too much of one humor, they feel ill. In the 2nd century, two men named Ptolemy and Copernicus presented their views of the universe. This is Ptolemy's model, also known as Earth-centered or geocentric. Ptolemy thought that all celestial objects, including the planets, sun, moon, and stars, orbited Earth. Earth in the center of the universe did not move at all. This is Copernicus' model, also known as sun-centered or heliocentric. Copernicus thought that the planets orbited the sun and that the moon orbited the Earth. The sun in the center of the universe did not move, nor did the stars. Now, I'm going to elaborate the implications of science to the world. Science has led to many extraordinary inventions, filling our human mind with vast amount of knowledge and intelligence. Scientific discoveries and inventions have made our lives easier and more comfortable than we could ever imagine. Scientific equipment accomplishes lengthy tasks in just minutes, be it in the health sector, education, transportation, and etc. All the inventions are just the gifts of science. Nowadays, we are in the situation where without science, we cannot imagine our survival. Without science, no country, no single person would have made progress. At this point of time, I'm going to discuss how science was able to help me and the people. Science has a huge role in our day-to-day life, from small things to the big things, without us even realizing it. Many things that we do daily wouldn't be possible without the scientific knowledge. One of the importance or contribution of it is it helps us to advance in every aspect, from technology, medicine, engineering, and more. Scientists are constantly improving the way we live. Now, I'm going to show you the advancements made by science. First is the artificial intelligence. We often look at artificial intelligence from a human perspective. For example, robots begin thinking for themselves and perhaps take over the world. But, for me, artificial intelligence is the greatest scientific breakthroughs of all time because it enables machines to learn and process more information than we ever could as humans. Next is the medical imaging. Medical imaging is an essential tool for clinical analysis, allowing doctors to see beyond what is hidden by the skin and bone to accurately diagnose and treat diseases. The third one is the Internet. Internet is possibly the greatest technological invention of our time, a truly remarkable feat of physics and engineering in its own right. Internet has a huge impact on science, from connecting people across the globe. Now, I'm going to show you the other advancements made by science. Molecular structure of DNA, antibiotics, and more. At this point of time, I'm going to share to you another incredible fact or discovery of science. And that is all about GMO, or genetically modified organisms. GMOs are organisms whose genetic material has been altered or modified using genetic engineering. Here are the samples of GMOs, or organisms that has been modified. That would be the end of my discussion about the contents of science. I'm Maurice Ramirez, a second-year student from BS Ed English.